Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're checking out something a little different, but seriously powerful, especially if you're working in high-volume office environments or handling document digitization at scale. This is the Canon DR-G2110 Document Scanner, model number 3150C003, and yes, this one's the new retail version. So let's talk about it. Now right off the bat, the DR-G2110 looks like a serious machine. It's not flashy, it's not trying to be the most portable, and it's definitely not your casual home office scanner. This is a production-level workhorse, built for speed, built for volume, and built to last. Under the hood, this thing is powered by a robust CMOS CIS sensor with LED light source and handles up to 110 pages per minute. Yes, that's duplex scanning. So technically, that's 220 images per minute when scanning both sides. That's not just fast, it's fast. And here's the kicker. It's designed for up to 70,000 scans per day. That's a level of productivity that's going to easily cover most businesses, especially in fields like legal, healthcare, finance, or logistics, where you're archiving or processing hundreds, maybe thousands, of documents daily. From a design standpoint, it's all about function. You've got a high-capacity automatic document feeder that holds up to 500 sheets. And yes, it supports a wide range of media types: passports, ID cards, long documents up to 118 inches, and standard office paper in mixed sizes and thicknesses. That versatility is key, especially in fast-paced environments where you don't want to stop and adjust settings for every job. Connectivity-wise, this Canon DR-G2110 supports both USB 3.1 and Ethernet. That means you're not tied to a single computer. You can set it up for network scanning in a shared workspace, which is super useful in enterprise setups. One thing I want to highlight is Canon's onboard processing engine. It helps offload image processing tasks, like text enhancement, background smoothing, and blank page removal, so your scans are crisp and clean straight out of the machine. That also reduces strain on your PC, which is a plus if you're running batch jobs. Now, Canon's Capture on Touch Pro software is included, and that's important. It supports barcode recognition, zonal OCR, and batch separation, which are essentials for document management workflows. Whether you're creating searchable PDFs or sending scanned images straight to a network folder, FTP, email, or SharePoint, it's all handled smoothly. Noise level? Surprisingly low for such a beast of a scanner. It operates quieter than expected, which is a subtle but important win if it's running in a shared office. Now, is this for everyone? If you're scanning a couple of bills a week at home, this is overkill, massive overkill. But if you're scanning crates of documents every day, this is an investment that will pay for itself in time and efficiency. And here's something else I love. Canon has really prioritized durability here. The roller system, feeding path, and internal components are all engineered for longevity. You're not just buying performance, you're buying reliability. Downtime is expensive, and Canon seems to know that. So yeah, overall, the Canon DR-G2110 isn't just a scanner, it's a document processing system in a compact footprint. It doesn't have the touchscreen bells and whistles of consumer models because it doesn't need them. What it does have is raw speed, rock-solid performance, and just enough software intelligence to keep your workflow efficient. And if you're looking to pick one up for your organization or business, I've got you covered. Please visit the link provided in the description. That's it for now. If you found this helpful or if you're interested in more deep dive reviews of business tech and productivity gear, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more from me, Tech Jake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.